guys, it's Ashley from Nutty Reviews, and today we're unboxing HeavenPanty. So if you're not familiar with HeavenPanty, this is a monthly panty subscription box. Basically, you subscribe. You can choose from 1 or 2 pairs of underwear a month. You'll go through like a little customization survey. So they'll ask you if you're an expectant mom, what are you going to wear them for? Are you going to wear them for underwear? Are you going to wear them for extra underwear? You're going to wear them for exercise? Are you a mom to be? All those sorts of things. And then you're going to tell them if you prefer thongs or no thongs or a mix. Then you're going to tell them the colors that you prefer, like colors. I forget the other patterns, and then mix it up. And then how often do you wear satin type, those sorts of things. And then you can choose from sizes. So they have like a huge selection of sizes. They run from extra small all the way through XL, but then they also have plus sizes up to 6XL. So they're extremely inclusive. So this pricing is as low as $4.99 a month for the single pair, $8.99 for the 2 pairs. That's billed though semi-annually. So you're not going to pay every month. It's a little bit more if you do the month-to-month thing. But you can get it for as low as $4.99. And then they do have a free panty on their website. I'm going to link to them below. They send this to me for review, but this is not an affiliate link or anything like that. I will also link to my full review on my blog, where we're just going to talk about everything that we talked about in the video. You know what I'm saying? All right, so it comes in this super cute package. I tried the new, I have to talk about my lunch. I went to Taco Bell and I tried the new, I love chalupas, okay? Like, that's what's at the end of the rainbow. It's a chalupa. All right, so anyway, I tried the naked chicken chalupa and it was just okay. Anyway, and then I text my brother because he also loves chalupa. Ooh, this is 2 pairs. This is the double pair. So they come in these like cool freshness sealed bags. And my brother was like, well, dang, I'm not going to try it now. I was like, it's just okay. So we're going to open this up. Oh, man, I kind of didn't get the picture of the bag. I feel like last time, yes, here it is. So it comes, look at this. Check this out. I love the packaging. I think it's so fun. So here we have, I don't remember what I selected for mine. I like a mix though, so that you guys can kind of see everything that a brand has to offer. It's all clipped onto this. So they do have an MSRP of $12 on here, although you'd only pay $4.99. These are super soft, like that stretchy kind of nylon material, and it has like that paisley mandala print. Love the colors, very summery, super cute. What size is this? I lost like a lot of weight, so the medium might not work for me anymore. Yes, this is a medium, but that's okay. I'll figure it out. Anyway, I also have daughters and I can pass these on. They're probably way more than me. Anyway, all right, let's go on to our second pair. So this says they are the Tangas Pettigreen Comfy and Seamless. Oh, that's another question they ask you. Do you prefer like seamless underwear? Things like that, which I love them. I think that they're super comfortable. I'm not going to get too in-depth about my style preferences of underwear on this video. Ooh, these are super cute. So these are, what are these called? Why am I throwing the papers around like this? These are the hipster bikinis, pale green, comfy, and lacy. So this has a really cool kind of lace. There's no panel back here. It is just kind of sheer. And then it has the bow detail, this lace detail. I love this color. It's super pretty. And then there's the back. It has like the ruffles around the edges. So my 2 pairs, this would be $8.99, billed semi-annually. And these are the 2 underwears that I got. I think they actually look really good together. The colors kind of complement each other. Super cute. If you're interested in checking out my full review, I will link to that below, and I will also link to HeavenPanty. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.